Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm doing a Mecha Bricks build. Unfortunately, I don't have enough muscle strength in my hands right now to actually do it, so the only thing I can do is show you. Some of the stuff I have shown you over the past few months that I started doing Mecha Bricks videos. So the legs and torso belong to Yellowjacket. I just turned them in black. The hands are also black. The arms are the yellow and black. You can change those individually. Um, these are the knife pieces. You can find them in animals and accessories for animals. The head is Gandalf, is Sauron, is you can Count Dooku, I should say. The helmet belongs to Firefly. I just put it in pearl scent, and it's the titanium metallic. Now, I can try to do the tutorial again. Maybe I could show you, but maybe next time. Actually, you know what? I probably have enough strength to do it now. Okay, so we're gonna go new model. Now this is like Peacemaker. It's more complicated. So lower parts, superheroes, Marvel, 2014, Yellowjacket, lower parts, Marvel, Yellowjacket. Actually, I'm gonna try a new technique. Black, black. Erase that. Minifigures, hard parts. Marvel, 2014 or 2015. Yeah, 2015. Get rid of those. Move that back. Center. Pull out. Go down. Heads. Superheroes. Marvel. No. It's not what I want. The Hobbit. Lord of the Rings. Saruman. Head clothing. Firefly. Pearl scent. Animals and accessories. One too far. One too far again. And here we are. Well, no, I did that wrong. Pull it up. Pull it to the side. Angle it. Small. Turn it, just a little bit, like that. Then you just change it, make it a medium. It duplicates it. pretty much. And there you have it. Yellowjacket from Marvel What If. This is a more complex build. When I actually did this, it took away my muscle strength. So that's why I kind of had a hard time doing it this time. And yeah, so I hope you like this build, and I will see you guys later. Bye.